I go order. Don't be shy, just ask.
Milo and Zero like the new window with the view, but they also like my curtain. Ay, ay, ay. Well, I just thought I'd share this little moment where they're the first time they're sitting at this little windowsill because we moved, obviously, you guys know this, and they are liking the fact that they can sit there and look out the window. You know, just kind of got to watch them, make sure that they don't eat my window, but other than that, they're having fun. Yay! Milo, don't eat my window. Thank you. Thank you. Wee wee wee. Hello. Hello. Yeah. Are you calling all others? Hi, Milo. Olivia likes it too. Yeah, of course. She just likes sitting on my head all the time. Milo, are you gonna be nice? Yeah? You gonna be nice? Water? Of course, Milo is the only one that can't sit still. He's my hyper child. My hyper child. Yeah,